Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write notes in Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do is just to open the Instagram and go to any Reels that we want to add notes to it. And basically, we can start noting it. So here I'm just going to the Instagram and I'm just going to the Explorer or choose any reel that you find. So let's just search for any reel and I will go to the Explorer and basically let's choose this one. And basically here we have this reel. Now we can simply click on the 3 points icon. And here all we need to do is to click on share for this icon. I mean for this reel. And basically by clicking on share, we will need just to search for the notes. So here we have add to stories if you want to share this on a story. And here we will have add notes. By clicking add notes, you will share a note. You can start mentioning anyone that you have, or you can start adding whatever. And basically here you can add some uh, emojis if you would like. You can mention people and you can add them here. And basically you will then share, click in here, and we will be seeing your note that will be shared in all your close friends. You will be able to start seeing your notes. So simply, this is how you can share the notes, and basically you can do it with any post, with anything, or you can also add some music to it when you click on share. And as you can see, let's, for example, do it with this one as an example. Let's just click on share, and then we go to the end and we click here on add note. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.